In order to analyze the luminance of symbols on buttons and displays, LabSoft comes with a statistic called SymbolObject. SymbolObject is put in use where there is a need to analyze symbols in presence of background light. And not only the mean luminance, but the minimum and the maximum luminance as well as their positions are required. SymbolObject gives reliable results independent of the focus. To generate SymbolObject analysis, first draw a region on luminance image, and then after marking it, go to Statistic Type menu. It can also be accessed through Main menu Evaluation, Statistic, and selecting SymbolObject in the resulting dialog. As you can see, the resulting image shows 2 points on the luminance image that depict its minimum and maximum value of luminance within the region. These indicators of minimum and maximum can, however, be switched off through the later described Statistics Parameter menu. Like all other statistics, SymbolObject also comes with a range of parameters. These parameters can be accessed through Properties dialog at the bottom of Statistic Type menu. The first parameter is Background Threshold. The background threshold is automatically calculated as the minimum value of a region plus 10% of the difference between minimum and maximum value. This value can be manually changed according to the requirements. If you want to have an automatic adjustment of this value, you can enter the value of 0 as the background threshold. The background threshold is measured in candela per meter square, while all other parameters are measured in pixels. The parameter neighborhood determines the area around the pixel that is taken in account during an analysis. In this area, the maximum luminance used for the pixel is determined. By default, the value of neighborhood is set to be 5 pixels, which means that during the analysis, an area of 5 by 5 pixels around each pixel is taken in consideration. Neighborhood helps reducing calculation errors that may cause by defocused or blur image. It is recommended that if the focus of camera imaging is correctly set, then the value of neighborhood as well as foreground range should not be changed, as it is the optimum value for a wide range of scenarios. Please refer to our Setup and Configuration tutorial for further information on the topic of setting focus. With the help of the filter parameter, the size of the point sensor can be set according to the requirements. By default, the value of point sensor in the filter parameter is set to 3. It means that small circles of 3 pixel diameter spread across the image in the region. The minimum and maximum value of luminance in each pixel is analyzed by the software, and an average of the values of all the circles gives the minimum and maximum value of the entire region. The parameter border distance allows to generate an additional distance of the point sensor to the border of the SymbolObject. The position and the size of the minimum and the maximum are changed. If, for example, the structure width of the symbol to be measured is too small for border width, the minimum and maximum for this position cannot be determined. The software comes with the default value of 0 as border distance, which is optimum for the analysis to be carried out. Like most of these statistics, SymbolObject also comes with parameter smoothing. Smoothing reduces the noise that probably exists in the image. The minimum measured is enlarged, whereas the maximum and the variance are reduced. By default, SymbolObject shows the analysis only in bright areas. However, the user can change this setting to dark to check the uniformity as well as the minimum and maximum darkness in the given luminance image. The users can modify the values of any or all statistic parameters according to their requirements. The modified parameter settings can be saved into different parameter sets. There is also an option to give a specific name to the parameter set, and this name can be seen in the table under the parameter column. It is important to remember that if you save a parameter set, the software will automatically use that parameter set for following analysis. However, if you want to create a new parameter set or work with the default one, the option Separate Parameter Set in the Statistic Type dialog has to be checked.